Hola, ¿qué tal? Me llamo Modesto Salazar y vendo ropa de mujer. Ropa muy bonita a precios muy bajos.
Okay.
Y ya está.
Gracias. Bonito items.
Todo es muy bonito. Todo
Ah,
es very good looking. Very
okay.
good. This clothes is very good.
Okay, gracias. Hola, buenos dias, good morning. Yes, this is another adventure of the Nigerian nomads. Here, standing here right now, I'm in one of the biggest street markets in Malaga. This is a market I just discovered, and I told myself that no, I'm not gonna consume the information alone. I have to tell my lovelies. So this is a place where you can get different kind of item, clothing, food, vegetables, and all that. So guys, I really want to know, is this market, people say items are cheap on here, and I want to know, is this really true? Do they allow bargains? Come on, let's go sit together. Welcome to one of the biggest street markets in Malaga, Spain. Today, I'm inviting you to join me on this sensory journey through the vibrant marketplace where the sounds, sights, flavors come together to create an unforgettable experience. This market is located at Europa Junction. It's one of the many street markets in Malaga, but this one is quite so big. And as you step into the market, you are immediately engulfed by the vibrant atmosphere. The air is filled with chatters of locals, the laughter of children, the melodies of street musicians. The energy is palpable as people from all walks of life come together to experience this unique cultural hub. This is how much?
8 euro.
Is this with the pillow?
Only pillow is 5 euro.
Because of how wonderful this market is, I must confess, it took a lot of my money. The thing is that I just saw items, wonderful items that met my taste and have been looking for a long time and over a while now. When you come into this market, your senses are greeted by an explosion of colors, aromas as you navigate through the market stores. Fresh fruits, vegetables are beautifully displayed, from the juicy oranges to the plum tomatoes. The abundance of locally sourced products is a testament to the region's rich agricultural heritage. And speaking of tempting, gosh, you're gonna see many things that will tempt you to acquire them for a very cheap price. Although all items are displayed and put their price are tagged alongside with them, most of them under €1 50 cents, most of them €2, and the highest of it was €10. I saw different kinds of items, so it's just left for you to tailor down your spending to your budget in the market. And speaking of tempting, don't forget to indulge in the local delicacies. As you wander through the market, you will discover an array of mouth-watering treats, from freshly baked parsley to savory tapas. The Corillani delights will leave you craving for more. You can take that from me. This market reminds me of the times I used to go to the market in Nigeria with my mom. We had similar markets like this in Nigeria, street markets, although they were not really organized the way this one is, but it just gave me this nostalgia of home and all that. And I was like, wow, I've found my people. So speaking of bargain, you see, we Africans, as an African girl, I was brought up to know that items are not, you should not just buy items with the price tag on it. If you are in a street market or in an open market, you have to bargain and you tell the seller how much you want to pay, you understand, because that is business. But I discovered that in this market, bargain is not really accepted, and if it is, you need to, the person has to, be your customer, or maybe the person just wants to be nice and all that. So bargain is just in between and all that. So when you are going, you make sure that you hold some cash, because one of the things I that made me not to fully enjoy my experience, when I mean fully, I mean at least to 100%, because as at now it's about 98%. The fact that they don't collect electronic payments, card payments, made me stressed out, because I had to look for where I can withdraw cash, withdraw money in order to pay. And that was the stress for it for me, because where I got to withdraw money was very far. So if you're going to this market, make sure, or any market in Malaga in Spain, they always want to accept cash from their customers. So take that as a note. As far as I'm concerned, I don't think there's anything one would need that is not in this market. Even perfumes, clothes, quality items are being sold in this market. And just so you know, it opens, it's a morning market. So if you're to go there, it's best to go there in the morning, because it closes by 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Before 2 p.m., the sellers are already packing up their items and done with the sales for the day. So take note of that. Some people say there are pickpockets around, so you have to be careful and mindful of your items, but I doubt that, because everyone seemed concerned with buying, although you can never tell. But make sure that your items are being held closely to yourself and keep an eye on it. I told you guys that I went to withdraw some cash in order to pay for an item. Let me tell you a story of how I missed a chance of buying something I really love. You see, when I went to withdraw the money from my bank, before then I saw something that I love. If you watch the beginning part of this video, you see me checking out a pillow. I love that pillow because it's big and bouncy, and will give me support for my sleep and all that. So I told myself, okay, let me go and withdraw some cash in order to buy the pillow. Upon my arrival back later there, I discovered that the pillow is gone. Someone else bought it. I was so sad. So guys, if you see something you like, buy it immediately. Do not waste time, because other people are also looking for quality items like you. I had a chance to speak with one or two locals.
Sorry.
Huh?
My English.
No, I
is
said,
not very good looking.
what do you say?
What
Like
do you say?
items.
See, these are 3,
Okay.
3 and 6, 6 and 6 and 10 and 12.
Okay. So you make lots of dinero, yeah? Being somebody that is not fluent in Spanish is going to be hard for you to navigate. So if you have an interest in going to this market, just try to have a Google Translator alone, because most of them do not understand English. Am I going to be visiting this market again? That's a big yes from me. Yes, because this market it's so breathtaking. Everything seems to be catching my attention. I just had to hold myself back in order not to overspend. But the truth is that you're gonna love items you see in this market. Most of these clothes are being put here under price category, so you choose the one you like and you pay for it. Hola.
Hey, how are you? My name is Modesto.
Okay,
I'm
wonderful.
in my work
Okay.
Is the shop, is this shop.
Okay,
Eh?
beautiful items. So, when do you come? How many times in a week?
Six times in the week.
Oh, every day?
Work in the street. Sí,
Oh,
oye.
okay.
Una bolsa, por favor.
So, what do you sell?
Derecho de imagen. Derecho de imagen. Este cobra, ¿eh? Este cobra derecho de imagen. Copyright.
My English is very small.
Okay.
I don't.
I discovered that most of the shop sellers had vans. These are vans they used to convey their products over to the shop, to the place of selling. You can even see raw honey, fresh one. Beautiful items, my dear friends. You should pay a visit to this market. So it doesn't matter if you're a local or a traveler seeking adventures, make sure you visit this captivating street market in Malaga. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere, savor the flavors, appreciate the craftsmanship, and embrace the rich cultural tapestry that comes alive in this bustling market. Your senses will have you to think. So I was told that they open every day, from Mondays to Saturdays, from morning around 9 to 2 p.m. So make sure you go early in order to get the best of the products. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I'd like to ask you, have you ever been to a street market? Where and when was it? Share in the comments, and in my next video I'll give you a shout out. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Bye.